is my career, are my judgments. And I held the post of Chief Justice of the Islamabad High Court. If you go to the website, go through my reported judgments, see, maybe you would be able to judge. And I can take pride in one thing, that everyone has criticized me. They've only criticized me for giving relief to their opponents. I was target, and I've been target of malicious propagandas by every party. But what I take pride in it, that every party, every leader has reposed confidence in my court. So I was a bit surprised when 4 times an angry young man says that you have to be honest. You see, firstly, it hasn't happened for the first time. The same happened to Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. It happened repeatedly after that as well. So if you had concentrated on my opening speech, probably you might not have asked me this question. So again, you see, for me, right now, the appeals would be coming to my court, and the appeals would be, probably they would be in the process of filing the appeals. So that honest opinion, if the matter comes to me and comes to my court, then you can judge whether my judgment is honest or not. But my judgments and my jurisprudence, if you are interested, then go to the website of Islamabad High Court and read my judgments on fair trial. So fair trial is the most important right of every accused, even if an accused is accused of terrorism. So I hope that honestly answers your question.